Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to change your display name on Facebook. First of all, you click on the Facebook app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. Below, you provided with 6 icons here: home, watch, marketplace, profile, notifications, and menu. Here you click on menu, which is your last option here, and then you scroll down to settings and privacy. You click on it and then you click on settings, which is the first option provided. Here you click on personal information, which is under the account section, and then you click on name. After that, you'll be able to change your display name on Facebook: your first name, your middle name, and your surname. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.